Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the Google Meet app and signing in with the account you use for meetings. Once done, grant camera and microphone access so audio and video work. Next, tap plus new meeting to create a link, or tap join and enter the meeting code. This gets you into the room quickly. Make sure to check the camera preview and microphone level before you join. If you see a mic icon with a slash, unmute it before entering the call. Once inside, tap the screen to reveal in-call controls and use them intentionally. You can mute or unmute quickly, turn your camera on or off, and enable live captions for clarity. If you need to share, tap Present and select whether to share your entire screen or only a single app window. This preserves privacy. Also, pin important participants, switch between front and back cameras, and select tile view when multiple people speak. These choices help you manage focus and bandwidth. To finish, tap End Call and choose whether to leave or end the meeting for everyone if you are the host. Before leaving, use Add People or copy joining info to invite others or schedule follow-ups with the calendar link for easier rejoin. If audio or video fail, try this troubleshooting tip. Check app permissions, toggle the microphone/camera off and on, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and, if needed, restart the app. These steps resolve most connectivity and permission issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.